So I'll try to be brief for this one. Basically, what I'm going to talk about today are albums. Now I'm going to show you to go with these, just a few images. So a photo album is a great way to keep private things private. For example, if you're a boudoir photographer, this allows your client to have beautiful boudoir photographs and keep them tucked away where only they or the people that they allow to see can see them. So what you have in front of you here is a picture of an album inside a box. Now, the particular album that I get has this beautiful box that surrounds the album. And the album itself then sits inside, has this little tag so you can help pull it up. And it's on thick paper inside, or thick book binding, so that it holds up for years to come. Now, the next image that you see is an image from inside the book. I've got it open off to the left-hand side here. You can see the box underneath it. And you can see this is a basic layout. It's a lay-flat page, but a traditional layout for a photo book is to just put one on each page. But because it's a photo book, you can extend the image. So as you can see in the image now, got these two gentlemen. I extended the wall across so you could see how this looks as a lay-flat book and how it works into the lay-flat. So if this were an image that went all the way across the page, it would look perfectly fine. Now, I didn't want to go too much into albums here because I already have a video showing off a few album books, different types of paper and things like that. But all I wanted to talk about today was how important an album can be for certain events and for certain subject matter like boudoir photography. So event photography, for example, a wedding, an album is awesome because they have something that, again, this album, as you can see from this box, it's a very well-made, thick box that allows the album to stay protected for years to come. In addition, if you had any kind of event other than a wedding, this would be a good spot. And if you've got a client who already has other images, so let's say, for example, you've been taking images of a family for years, or if you've just started taking pictures of them, but they have other pictures, you could present to them the option of a family photo album so that they would have something to pass on to the next generation. Again, the images can just sit one to a page, across the pages. You can put multiple ones on there. You could treat the entire open set of pages as a collage and just put a whole bunch of pictures together. The advantage this has over the old photo albums where you took a picture and slid it into some mechanism to. These books are much better made. They're beautiful output. And on top of that, you've got something that's going to be protected and that the family can have for years to come. So I just wanted to make this video to point out the fact that albums, which I don't see a lot of photographers do, are a great way for certain subjects and certain types of photography to be captured and displayed for years to come. And that's what I got for you this week, and I'll talk to you guys next week.